स्टूडेंट्स, वेलकम टू अवर चैनल। आज हम 8th क्लास का 4th चैप्टर करने जा रहे हैं, ज्योग्राफी का। सो लेट्स गेट स्टार्ट। फ्रॉम वेयर द वर्ड एग्रीकल्चर इज डिराइव। वेरी शॉर्ट क्वेश्चन आंसर ये। द वर्ड एग्रीकल्चर इज डिराइव फ्रॉम लैटिन वर्ड्स एगर और एग्री मीन्स सोइल एंड कल्चर मीनिंग्स कल्टिवेशंस और टिलिंग ऑफ सोइल। नेम 3 टाइप्स ऑफ इकोनॉमिक एक्टिविटीज: प्राइमरी एक्टिविटीज, सेकेंडरी एक्टिविटीज, टर्शियरी एक्टिविटीज। What is primary activities? Primary activities includes all those connected with extraction and production of natural resources, that is agriculture, fishing and gathering food. Next one हमारा है what are secondary activities? Those activities which are connected with the processing of natural resources are called secondary activities, that is manufacturing of steel, baking of bread, etc. What are tertiary activities? Those activities which provide support to primary and secondary activities are called tertiary activities, transport, trade, etc. Next one हमारा how much pollution of India is still engaged in agriculture activities? 2/3 of India's population. What is arable lands? The land on which crops are sown is known as arable lands. In which areas nomadic herding is practiced? Nomadic herding is practiced in the semi-arid and arid regions of Sahara, Central Asia and some parts of India. Next one है what is commercial farming? In commercial farming, crops are grown and animals are reared for sale in market. Which crops are grown in large plantations in plantation agriculture? Rubber, tea, coffee. Which crop is staple diet of about 1/2 of the world's population? Rice. Who is the largest producer of rice in the world? China is the largest producer of rice. India is on second place. Which is the most suitable soil for wheat cultivation? Loamy soil. Which grains are also known as coarse grain? Millets are also known as coarse grain. For what products does India stand second in the world? India stands second in the world in the production of rice, jute and jawar. Move to the next question. What is agriculture? The word agriculture is derived from 2 Latin words, agri and culture. Agri means soil and culture means cultivations or tilling of soils. Agriculture thus refers to the cultivation of soil for growing crops and rearing of livestock. Next है name the factors influencing agriculture. The factors which influence agriculture are relief, soil conditions, temperature, rainfall. What is shifting cultivations? What are its disadvantages? Shifting cultivation, it is mainly practiced in the thickly forested areas. In this cultivation, a plot of land is cleared by felling the trees and burning them. The ashes of these trees are mixed with the soil and crops are grown. Maize, yam, potatoes and cassavas are the main crops grown in this type of cultivations. When the soil loses its fertility, the land is abandoned and the cultivators move to a new plot. Main areas of these cultivations are Amazon basin, Northeast India, parts of Southern Asia, tropical Africa. This cultivation is also known as slash and burn cultivation. Disadvantage देख लीजिए इसमें. Disadvantages: first one, it is not eco-friendly. Second one, it is very destructive. Third one, it cause deforestation. Fourth one, it can be cause of soil erosion. What is plantation agriculture? It is a special type of commercial farming which requires large amount of labor, technical efficiency, very large estates and capitals. In this type of agriculture, a simple crop of tea, rubber, coffee, sugarcane, cashew, banana or cotton is grown. The produce may be processed on the farm itself or in nearby factories. A well-developed transport network is also required. Tropical regions of the world are major plantations area. Rubber in Malaysia, coffee in Brazil, tea in India and Sri Lanka are some examples. Next question. Name the fiber crops and name the climatic conditions required for their growth. Jute and cotton are major fiber crops. देखिए climatic conditions required for cotton. Cotton requires high temperature, light rainfall, 210 frost-free days and bright sunshines for its growth. Black and alluvial soils are best for its cultivations. नेक्स्ट हमारा है क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस रिक्वायर्ड फॉर जूट. इट इज ऑल्सो नोन एज द गोल्डन फाइबर्स. हाई टेम्परेचर्स, हैवी रेनफॉल एंड ह्यूमिड क्लाइमेट इज गुड फॉर इट्स ग्रोथ. मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. टिक द करेक्ट आंसर. हॉर्टिकल्चर मीन्स growing of fruits and vegetables. Golden fibers refers to jute. Leading producer of coffee is Brazil. Give reason. देखिए फर्स्ट वन है इन इंडिया एग्रीकल्चर इज अ प्राइमरी एक्टिविटी. एग्रीकल्चर इज अ प्राइमरी एक्टिविटी in India. More than 75% of India's population is living in village and 2/3 of India's population is still dependent on agriculture. Agriculture provides raw materials to many industries. It is the base of Indian economy. It has important role in GDP. नेक्स्ट है हमारा डिफरेंट क्रॉप्स आर ग्रोन इन डिफरेंट रीजन्स. डिफरेंट क्रॉप्स रिक्वायर्स डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ सोइल्स एंड क्लाइमेटिक कंडीशंस फॉर ग्रोथ. दीज रिक्वायरमेंट्स कैन नॉट बी मेट at one place for all types of crops. For example, cotton is grown in black soils while alluvial soils is good for rice. Different regions have black and alluvial soils. Some crops like tea and jute require heavy rainfall while cotton requires light rainfalls. These climatic conditions are not possible in same area, so different crops are grown in different region. Move to the next question. Distinguish between the following primary activities and tertiary activities. प्राइमरी एक्टिविटीज और टर्शियरी एक्टिविटीज में हम डिफरेंस देखेंगे. प्राइमरी एक्टिविटीज आर दोज एक्टिविटी विच आर कनेक्टेड विद एक्सट्रैक्शन एंड प्रोडक्शन ऑफ नेचुरल रिसोर्सेज. टर्शियरी एक्टिविटीज प्रोवाइड सपोर्ट टू द प्राइमरी एंड सेकेंडरी सेक्टर्स थ्रू सर्विसेज. नेक्स्ट हमारा है एग्रीकल्चर, फिशिंग, गैदरिंग्स आर गुड एग्जाम्पल ऑफ प्राइमरी एक्टिविटीज. ट्रांसपोर्ट, ट्रेड, बैंकिंग, ट्रेड्स, इंश्योरेंस आर एग्जाम्पल ऑफ टर्शियरी एक्टिविटीज. मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. सब देखिए सबसिस्टेंस फार्मिंग एंड इंटेंसिव फार्मिंग में डिफरेंस देखेंगे. द प्रैक्टिस ऑफ फार्मिंग इन विच द क्रॉप्स आर ग्रोन फॉर होम consumption by the farmer. Production is increased by using higher inputs and better agriculture technique. Next one है हमारा it is practiced on small farms with simple tools and old technology. This is practiced in area which are thickly populated. Third one है for example the production of wheat in some parts of the country. This is done in areas where there is less land available. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.